Hello, welcome to Joseph Praise TV. This is your digital classroom. This video is all about INFS 214, that's computing. And as you already know, I've released the first session of the video, that's a part 1, which consists of 50 questions. This one is also part 2. Also do 50 questions, and there will be part 3 and part 4 because the questions are 200 questions. So I believe these questions are enough to help you go through, or probably help you with your exams or either IE, whatever that it is, because that's how the whole thing is. So please, if you chance on this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. I'll drop a link to under the video, the comment section. Make sure you click on the link and follow us on that's WhatsApp, our WhatsApp channel, because we post most of our videos there. Every video I release, that's where I post the link. I don't normally post them on the platforms again, so you can also get regular update from us. And if you want to support this channel, you can reach out to us on our numbers are just there. All right. And the last thing I want to talk about is there are some of your colleagues who normally reach out to me that they want jobs to do. Okay, so I always say that I don't want my channel to just be a place where you make good grades, okay, but it should be a place where you come and you also what you find opportunities, right? So if you are with an agency that wants to recruit, or you are with an agency that actually need workers or whatever, please, you can reach out to me. I can help you with the recruitment process, right? I already have an agency, okay, recruitment agency, that we help people do the recruitment and other stuff. All right, my interest is to just help those of you who want to get job, right? So reach out to my agency. It's not, I'm not going to charge you for that service, but just to help our brothers and sisters who need job opportunities out there. So today we are just starting, okay, and this all my videos are going to be short this time around. The maximum should be 30 minutes, right? So my videos are going to be short, so let's get started. Number 51: which of the following is not true about low-level programming languages? A, they are machine dependent. B, they provide little or no abstractions. Okay, abstraction from detail of the computer. C, a programmer must have a strong knowledge about the computer design in order to a write what a design using low level language. And then D, we have what they are machine independent. So the answer is what they are machine independent. So which of the following is not true about low level programming? All of them are correct with the exception of what D, that they are what machine independent. Number 52: the software that helps a peripheral device to establish communication with the computer is called A, utilities; B, firmware; C, driver; and then D, that is none of the above. So the answer is what? Driver, okay? Device driver. It's device driver. So since we didn't get the device here, we are going with what? The driver. Number 53: on a computer system board, a video card is inserted into dash. So this is what a fill-in question. So the on the computer's system board, a video card is inserted into the expansion slot. All right, the answer is what? The expansion slot. Number 54: the power supply unit is cooled down by the means of what? This question has been solved already, so if you know the answer, drop it under the comment section. Number 53: drop the answer. So we have heat sink, fan, water. Some people call it water, right? We have what? None of their bed. So drop it under the comment section. Number 54, I want to see if you know the answer, or if if you have watched the first video, which is just 30 minutes video. If you have watched it, then you should be able to answer this question. All right, I'm moving forward. Number 55, after purchasing a computer, you spend money on different types for different types of specific tasks. So we have what? A, systems; B, business software; C, Windows; and then D, devices. So after purchasing a computer, you spend money on different types of what? Specific task. All right, so which of them is the answer? This question too, I solved them with you some time ago, I think in the first video. Okay, so let me leave this one. Number 54, if you know 55, drop it under the comment section. I'll come back to this question. All right, number 56, the output from display devices are referred to as soft copy. What name is given to an output from a printer? So this is what? A hard copy. The answer is what? A hard copy. An output from the display devices are referred to as soft copy. What name is given to an output from a printer? The answer is hard copy. So let's come back to the questions. So number 52, okay, no, we did that. Number 54 is B, that is fan. And then number 55, the one I didn't answer with you, is D, that is devices. Right, let's move forward. Most modern computers come with dash inches: A, L1 inches; B, L2 inches; 3, L3 inches; and then D, L4 inches. So we are going with what? C, that is L3 inches. L3 inches. Number 57, the unit for measuring dot pitch of a monitor is called, this is what? Millimeters. That is millimeters. So look at the spellings well, so you don't go and make mistake. Oh, please, I beg you. All right, look at the time you spend here and you go and just write and make mistake. Let's look at number 58. For a computer to produce dash, it must have an output device connected to it. So so the answer is, this is what all these things are. They are fill-in questions, short answers. So they will just give you something like this, and then you have to provide the answer. So the answer becomes what? An output. So for a computer to produce an output, it must have an output device connected to it. Right. Let's look at number 59. The amount of storage available to a computer is not limited. It's not limited only by the number of cartridges in store. Okay, so it is true or false? The answer is false. So the amount of what? Storage available to the computer is what? Is limited by only what? By only limited only by what? The number of cartridges in store. So the answer, I made the correction in the reading, right? That's why here it becomes true. So if we say that it does not only limited, it's not limited only by a number of cartridges, then it is false. Number 56, firmware is an example of a software. That's the answer. Number 50, number 60 is what? Is A, which is what? A software. That's 60 is A. Hardware, primary storage, secondary storage, all of them are not part. Number 60, okay, I've had 60 twice. Okay, so let's take like we are using this to replace some of the questions that reappeared. Number 60. Okay, so device drive is an example of A, cloud storage; B, solid state storage; C, magnetic storage; and then D, optical storage. The answer is what? A cloud storage, right? So Google Drive is an example of what? A cloud storage. Google Drive is an example of cloud storage. Number 61. Dash can provide over 2 hours of a very high quality and a sound comparable to what is found in the motion picture theater. So which of them are we talking about? So we have A, CD rooms, that is, we have CDRS, we have DVD rooms, and then we have floppy disk. So this is what CD rooms. So CD rooms can provide what over 2 hours of very high quality video and sound comparable to what to that found in the motion picture theater. Number 62. The compact disc type is often used to achieve data and record information once to be what to be read severally. So we have A, CD-ROM, B, CDR, C, that is what CDR, RY, RW, and then the D is what all of the above. So the answer is what CDR. So CDR is what a compact disk type, and is often what used to archive data and record information once to be read severally. Let's look at number 63. Dash store data and programs by altering the electromagnetic charges to represent ones from zero. That is what. So here they said you should select the one that applies. So here, meaning you can select more than 2 answers. So pay attention to some of these things, so as it will worry you. So we have DVD, we have SSD, we have VHS, and then we have FDD. So the answer is what? B and D. That is what? D, SSD and FDD. So so the answer is what? P and D. That's what? SSD and FDD. Number 64. Dash helps in creating, manipulating, and printing graphic network. So which one are we talking about? The answer is what? Graphics software. That's B, graphics software. So it helps in creating, manipulating, and printing graphical work. So it's what? Graphic software. Number 65. Statistical software and mathematical modeling software are examples of A, spreadsheet software, B, number crunching software, C, data software, and then G, we have what? Vertical market software. So the answer is B, which is what? Number crunching software. So it's very easy for them. And then number 66. Freeware is a copyrighted software that is what? Available for free, which is what? True. The answer is what? True. It's true. Okay, so as you know, 66 is what? Already is A. Number 67. Dash what? Is a means of protecting software from illegal copying by requiring users to enter a product key or activation key before the software can be used. This is called A, licensed software, B, software copyright, C, software product activation, and then D, software validation. The answer is what? C, which is software product activation. Number 68. A payroll software is an example of A, spreadsheet software, B, database software, C, horizontal market software, and then D, personal finance software. The answer is what? Horizontal market software. Number 69. Saving data into a ROM is a function of what? It's a function of system software. So when you save data into a ROM, it's a function of what? A system software. Number 70. Dash enables you to perform the function of data analysis. So this is what we call application software. So application software to perform the function of what? The function of data analysis. So it is called application software. Number 71. Software license defines the way in which one cannot use a computer program. True or false? This is what? False. It is false. So that is it. So let's look at this. Number 72. So already we know number 71 as false. Okay, when you say software license defines the way in which one cannot use a computer program, it is false. Number 72. Okay, Linux it's an open software. The answer is true. So when you see this one, we are talking about what? It being true. But the question can be twisted that Linux is what? It's not an open what source software. Then you know that it is what? It is false. Alright. So number 73. Dash is a small section of program code that replaces parts of the software that has been installed. This is what we call a software update. All right, the answer is software update. So the software update is a small section of program code that replaces parts of the software that has been installed. Number 74. Which of the following is not a computer programming language? We have C++, we have Python, we have Java, we have we have Android and Java, right? So the option that is not part is what? Android. Android is not a programming language. Okay, so number 75. Dash is what? Any part of the computer system, including the memory, storage devices, and then the microprocessor that can be used by the computer program is called A, user, B, system software, system resource, C, network, and then D, none of the above. So the answer is what? B. That's what? System resource. Okay, so the answer here is what? System resource. System resource. Number 76. A computer instruction is written using human readable computer what? Computer language or high level computer language, usually as text, is known as what? This is what we call open source. Source code. That's number 76. Is what? Is B, source code. So a computer instruction written using what? Human readable computer language or high what? Computer language can is what? Usually is as what? As next is known as what we call open source code. Number 77. The software that has peripheral devices to establish communication with a computer is called. Alright, so we have A, utilities, B, firmware, C, driver, and then D, none of the above. Okay, so with this one, I'm giving to you as an assignment, right? So number 77, if you know the answer, drop it. Just write the question number and then drop the answer. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Let's look at number 78. Which of the following operating system does not provide a GUI? A GUI instead of provide what? Instead provides a command-based interface. That's what company prompt. So which of them is what? Isn't what doesn't provide GUI? That's what graphic user interface. So we have A, Windows, B, DOS, that's DOS, and then C, we have Mac DOS, and then we also have none of the above. None of the above. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let me say, I think the questions, a minute, let me check something. Okay, these questions are here. I think there's some repetition, yes, rather, so let's use from this side. Okay, so number 79. Number 79. Okay, so this is what the 78 I read was what? It was DOS, DOS. So which of the following operating system does not provide a graphic user interface? Instead, provides a command-based interface. That's CM. Okay. So the answer is what? DOS, DOS, DOS. And then the other one too that I read for you, the software that helps the peripheral device to establish communication with the computer is what we call a driver. It's called a driver. Let's look at number 79. The monitor video standard, that is SGA, stand for. So SGA stand for what? Extended graphic array. Extended graphic array. That is what SGA. Let's look at the number 80. The expansion card that enables the monitors to display the computer and graphics information generated by one computer is known as what? This is what we call video card. Number 8, a video card. So the expansion card that enables monitors to display the video and graphics information generated by the computer is known what? Video card. Number 81. Flash memory is what? Is to store devices as light emitting diode. It's called what? That's a display technology. So the flash what memory is to when you say this is a grammatical error, is to storage. No. So let's look at number 82. One institution that normally uses hard disk pack is what we call A, tertiary schools, B, hotels, C, banks, and then D, hotels. So the answer, hospitals. So the answer here is what? Is what we call the banks. The banks. Number 83. Memory caching is effective because A, caches provide faster and data storage. B, caches what? Caches memory cannot be easily overwritten. And then D, most programs access the same instructions frequently. So most programs access the same information frequently. And then we have what? D, that is caches what are categorized into what? Into levels. So the answer is C, that is most programs access the same instructions frequently. Let's look at the next question, which is what? 84. 84. The magnetic tape is an example of what? A, storage device, B, storage medium, and then C, we have all of the above. So the answer is storage medium. Storage medium. Okay, so let's now proceed. Let's now proceed. Um, Number 86. The differences between a photo CD and a picture CD is that A. Picture CDs are more expensive than the photo CDs. Wrong. B. Picture CDs are single sessions while photo CDs are multi sessions. Wrong. C. Picture CDs use a different format from what a photo CDs, and that is it. And then the D says that a picture CDs are mostly used by professionals, but photo CDs are used by non-professionals. So the answer here is what? The answer here is C. That is what the picture. Picture CDs use different format from what? From the photo CDs. Number 87. That is the process of accessing information from the computer storage. This is what we call. This is what we call what? A. Writing. B. Reading. C. Retrieval. And then D. Research. So the answer is what? Reading. It's reading. So reading is what? The process of accessing information from another computer storage. It's called what? It's called reading. Number 88. Network operating system provides centralized resource storage and security through a force. This is called force. So the network operating system provides centralized resource storage and what? And security. So that is it. It is what? True. Number 89. To create the user account and password on the computer, I will use what? I will use dash A, utility software, B, application software, C, application software, and then D, all of the above. So the answer is what? The answer is C, that's system software. System software. Number 90. Which of these software prevents memory leaks? So we have A, operating system, B, application software, C, system software, and then D is utilities. And then number 91. Which of these helps the user to carry out video specific tasks? So we have what? Operating software, we have application software, and then we have D, that is what? All of the above. All of the above. So the answer is application software. That's B. Application software. Number 92. Which software uses relative and what? Absolute cell reference. Okay. So that is so I'm taking the question again. Which software uses relative and what? Absolute cell references? Question and what? And mathematical operations. This is what we call, this is a filling question, so pay attention to. We are called this what? Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet what? Software. Number 93. Dash allows two or more applications to run simultaneously. Okay, so I have a trial. Let's look at number 93. Dash is what? Dash allows two or more applications to run simultaneously. This is what we call multi-threading. And then the trial question, that's 93. System software what? Leaks programs and data into the memory. The answer is what? Is true. So the next one is what? A software that use what? Code that anyone can inspect, modify, and enhance is called, that's open source software. That's the answer is called open source software. That's the so the freeware, shareware, proprietary software, all of them are not part. 96, we have what thermographic and electrostatic process are what dry process of what copying. Also, okay, they are dry processes of what copying. This is what we call false, B true. So this answer is true. Number 97, periodic replacement of older version of software with what, with a newer version as what, as either A software absolute, B application what software upgrade, and then we have C, we have software renewal, and then D none of the above, right? So sorry, the answer here is what we call, that is none of okay, this is called software upgrade. Sorry, forgive me. Number 98, pick the odd one out. Antivirus, B Microsoft Windows, C Windows, and then D we have Linux, right? So I would the answer here is what? The answer here is antivirus. Number 99, which of the following is not true about low-level programming languages? So they are what? They are machine independent. I think I came across this question. They are machine independent. That's it. Number 100, running two or more parts of what, of a program simultaneously is known as what? Multitasking. So that's the answer. So now this is what, this is the end of the second part. Okay, so kindly forgive me, I'm recording the video in the midnight, and already I'm very tired, and I'm feeling also a bit what, sleepy, but we have to try and then do this in this is the time I can record the videos. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends too. As you know, if, as I've already spoken about, if you have any, you are working with a company and they are employing or recruiting, and you want to help some of your brothers who need work, just get in touch with me on 0545412017, and God willing on 26th, right, there's SRC general election. So make sure you reward Lorinda, okay, as the general secretary, and then also reward Guru and Jalit as the president and vice. God bless you for watching, and thank you.